Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your investment strategy with JPMorgan Chase, full guide step by step clearly. To successfully scale your investment strategy with JPMorgan Chase, start by define what you want to achieve in both the short and long term. Consider factors such as risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial targets. Next, open an investment account with JPMorgan Chase if you haven't already. You can do this online or by visiting a local branch. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the investment tools and resources available. Explore their research and insights to inform your decision-making. Use the JPMorgan Chase investment platform to access a variety of investment options. Consider diversified portfolios that include stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Perform a thorough risk assessment for each potential investment. Next, develop an allocation strategy that aligns with your risk appetite. Decide how much capital you will allocate to different asset classes. Monitor market trends regularly to stay informed about changes in your investment landscape. Utilize JPMorgan's market analysis to help guide your decisions. Start small, test your strategy, and gradually scale your investments based on performance. Be prepared to adjust your strategy as necessary based on market conditions. Maintain discipline by adhering to your investment plan even during market volatility. Consider consulting a JPMorgan financial advisor for personalized advice. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it meets your evolving goals. Evaluate the performance of your investments against benchmarks to gauge success. Stay informed about economic changes and how they may impact your investments. Leverage the community and resources offered by JPMorgan Chase for continued education. Finally, be patient and stay committed to your long-term investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.